What's going on, Wild family? Welcome to my Florida coast to coast ride. We are here in the Atlantic Ocean. We're in Titusville, Florida. We're actually in Cape Canaveral in the national park. But as you can tell, it is super foggy. I'm hoping this fog lifts when the sun comes up. If it doesn't lift, then we're gonna miss the sunrise, and my goal initially was to watch the sunrise here and then race it to St. Pete and watch the sunrise go down, or the sunset. Now, this ride is approximately 253 miles. I'm taking the Florida Coast to Coast Trail. Now, in the Florida Coast to Coast Trail, right now, I believe it's only 85% complete. We'll find out as we go. But I believe it's only 85% complete. When we hit the Orlando area is the only time I'm not gonna be on the actual trail. There's connectors, and we're gonna get on those connectors. But for now, my beautiful people, join me on this beautiful ride. All right, well, family, it's 7:05. Sun, I'm waiting on the sun to come up, but we have Strava activated. I'm at 66.9%. Oh, and I forgot to mention the most important thing. After my poll, you guys decided that I should be taking the Juliet Pro on this ride. So those that are not familiar with the Juliet Pro, this is a single hub motor 24x4-inch fat tire e-bike. It is a 60 volt. It has a 70 amp hour battery. It's been featured on my channel multiple times, so I won't go into great details on the bike, but we got a long ride, 253 miles approximately to get to St. Pete. I'll start talking about the bike itself, but you guys wanted it, and this is the one I'm going to be taking. We do have some planned stops to try to charge, because obviously this battery, although it's huge, it's not going to give me the miles that I need to make it all the way through. So I do have 3 planned stops, but we're a race against the clock, people. I have to get to St. Pete as the sun comes down. It's only 10 hours of sunlight, so I can't baby the bike. I have to go fast. So based on my math, and let's see if my math is correctly, I have to average 25 miles an hour in order to make this and make it to St. Pete in time. So let's rock and roll. All right, guys, we are off. Yep, my helmet's on, my lights on, got everything on. Oh, it's a chilly morning, guys. Chilly, foggy morning. We're gonna put this bike to the test. As I mentioned, I have to do 25 miles an hour if I'm gonna make this ride. Damn, it's so foggy. Foggy, cold, misty. Shit, I can't see my mirrors. Dude, I can't see a fucking thing. It is super foggy, cold, misty, but it's supposed to heat up very quickly. This is crazy because it's wet. But as I stated, this is a race, baby. We gotta make it across. Oh, here we go. We got 4 miles on this trail. Anyway, guys, hopefully it'll dry up and we'll be able to see this beautiful trail. But I am behind the 8 ball. It's freaking, got a little bit of a late start because I wanted to see the sunrise, but this fog never lifted. All right, we're at the trail. All right, guys, put in the comments, how far do you think I'm gonna get on this bike? So, again, I'm gonna try to go all the way to St. Pete on the bike. I have a backup if something happens mechanically, or if the battery, or my strategy with the battery doesn't work. I do have a backup to do it. So, but again, it's 253 miles approximately. I have to maintain about 25 miles an hour. I have 10 hours of sunlight before the sun sets. So that's why I got that 25 hours, right? But I have to stop and charge. So I'm hoping I have 1 hour planned to charge. I don't know how much charge I'm gonna get in that hour. So that's the question mark. And that's my question to you. Do you think I'm going to make it with only 1 hour? 1 hour to add a charge to this and get 250 miles. Put in the comment if you think I'm gonna make this. Oh man, I just looked at the weather advisory, and this fog is not supposed to lift until 9. I am freezing because it's so wet. It's almost like it's raining. So it's not supposed to lift until 9:30, which is 2 hours away. Woo! All right, what time is it now? 2 hours. 2 hours away. But I tell you, even though it's foggy and I can't see much ahead of me, I love it. Countryside. This is Florida, people. All right, I see the sun. Although you can see it from behind. When we're racing the sun across the state, it's still super cold, guys. I'm trying to keep my mind off the cold and how wet I am, because I know in about an hour or so, maybe 2, the sun will be out, I'll be warm, I'll get dry. Right now I'm pedaling hard just to warm up. But it'll also help out with extending the battery life. But so far so good, guys. I think let's see where we are. We are probably 10 miles in. Let's see. Let's check out Strava. 12 miles in, almost 13 miles. All right, guys, it's still super, super foggy out here. But I want to take a quick stop to check out this sign. You have the Gobbler Lodge Trailhead, 6.9 miles. Hickory Bluff Preserve, 10 miles. And Cow Creek, which is this way, which I'm not going. I'm going straight. It's 11 miles. The swamps of Florida. Beautiful. The fog is finally starting to lift a little bit. I have made up a lot of time. So far so good. I still got 63.5 volts. Gone about 20 miles. I'll do a range check in a second. But finally, fog is lifting. I can see. I just needed to warm up a little bit now. Oh, I'm frozen. Now I'm starting to see. Turn left. Yep. Yeah, there's nothing there. Wow, this is really, really nice. Holy smokes. That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that barn. Wow. Smith Road. Can I spot this? Because I want to see where I'm at. Mom, love. Okay, let me see if I can take a picture of that. I did. Oops. Let's save photo. Okay. I want to save this spot because when I get home, I want to see if I can buy some land out here. This is beautiful. Look at that. This is really, really nice. Finally, the fog lifted completely. Now I just needed to warm up a little bit. I'm still freezing. It's still a quick check run. Let's go to Strava. All right, we've gone 28 miles. This is Lake Nona Trail. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Oh my God, but I'm freezing. I'm still wet, but it is beautiful out here. Morning. It's still a quick check of our range, like where we are. Let's see. All right, we've gone 41 miles. Been on the road for 2 hours. This is nice though, nice. I'm trying to take out my selfie stick here. God. Me. That's what I get. That's what I get. This is some nice riding. I like that they have these blue signs everywhere. Oh, pretty cool. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's a shame that it's so overcast and foggy. We're in Lake Nona, man. This is beautiful here. And finally, the sun is out, hitting me, staying warm. Now the question is, where am I going? When am I going down? We're gonna go down. Let's see. Now I need to check my voltage. We're at 59. Let me make it through all these people. It's a nice walk. Wow, this is beautiful here. Come on your left. I gotta cover 25 miles. We've gone 55 miles. Morning. I'm gonna be under 2 hours in a second. Shit, I gotta stop. This section here, there is no bike path. So you're on the main road. I've been going from sidewalk to the road, but it's causing me to go much slower than I wanted to. And I may have to make up some time. Just keeping an eye on the traffic so I can get out of the road if traffic's behind me, but so far so good. I got nothing behind me. It's windy as hell too, man, which is gonna hurt my range because I'm going into this strong wind. Alright, this is gonna be my first stop. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks here real quick. I'm gonna charge this phone, get something quick to eat, because I am behind. Those trails, you could only go 15 miles an hour, which really set me back about 30 minutes or so. So instead of doing the 30-minute stop on the next one, I'm gonna do a 15-minute stop, and then I'm gonna pick up the pace a little bit because I got plenty of range. I went 77.93 miles. but I still got more than half a battery. So, but I'm behind like a half an hour. So let's see if we can make it. All right, as I was saying, I'm gonna went 77.93 miles, 3 hours and 52 minutes. This is my first stop. Got plenty of battery left, but those trails were I had to go 15 miles an hour on the trails, so it really set me back some time. So, but my average speed said it was 20 miles.